Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on iPhone 16. To hide apps on iPhone 16, press and hold on an app you want to hide. Then tap on Require Face ID, and now you can either use Require Face ID or Hide and Require Face ID. For the first app I'm gonna just Require Face ID, and for the second one I'm gonna set Hide and Require Face ID. Now I need to confirm it with my Face ID, and now whenever I want to open the app, it asks me to unlock it with my Face ID. Now I'm gonna hide WhatsApp. Press and hold on it, then Require Face ID, Hide and Require Face ID, and now enter Face ID or the passcode, hide app, and now to find this app, go to the app library, scroll down to hidden, and you cannot see what's hidden unless you click on it and unlock it with Face ID. Now you can see the hidden app, you can click on it and unlock with Face ID again, and here's the WhatsApp. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.